Hello, readers, creatives, and dreamers. Thank you so much for joining me. It's Tevi here with another book review for you. We have a new picture book by my dear friend, Ben Stern. Actually a good friend of mine, and he just recently published his first book. It's Flip and Friends, Do You Have Any Patience? The book follows our main character, Flip the Frog, who is a little kid who doesn't have any patience. And this is a great book. It follows Flip as he goes from store to store asking if they can sell him some patience. And he keeps getting told, come back in 5 minutes, patience will be ready. And he loses his temper and storms out. It's a cute book, it's a cute story, and it's a good way for you to kind of broach the topic and discuss with your kids if they don't have any patience, if they kind of get, all kids get impatient, I suppose. It's a good way to discuss with them why a person should have patience, delayed gratification, what it means to wait for something, to be patient, when you should be patient and why. And the book has some really cute illustration. It's very bright and very colorful, cartoonish. I think it's an enjoyable book that your kids will like. And most importantly, I think that this is a good book that you can discuss with your kids on this topic of patience. At the end, Flip gets the patience, which is a big lollipop, and he's really happy that he waited, because by waiting he got a nice big treat. So there you have it, Flip and Friends, Do You Have Any Patience? By Ben Stern. Get that on Amazon. It might be a good early reader book for little kids who are first learning to read, but I don't think that's quite the target. I think that it's meant for even littler kids, just to have this conversation with them and to have a character that they can rally around and connect with. As Flip the Frog. So once again, that's Flip and Friends, Do You Have Any Patience? Get on Amazon. The link is below.
Hi, I'm Ben, the co-creator of the Flip and Friends book series. And we wanted to let you know from all your feedback and all the parents and teachers that reached out to us and said, this book is amazing and the kids really understand patience, but we need to do more. What do we do next? So we just launched thepatiencebook.com. On thepatiencebook.com, we have videos for parents, videos for grandparents, teachers, adults, videos for the children to watch. We also have a section on resources and activities, so you can print out charts for rewards, puzzles, mazes, everything you need to continue that patience work. We know at the end that a child that learns patience will be a much more successful adult. Thank you.